Axel and Pfeiffer GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching. Hi guys, welcome back to Axel and Pfeiffer GTV. For today's home activity will be multiplying integers. So there's a rule for multiplying integers. First step is to multiply the factors or the absolute value. And then for step 2, determine the sign. If it's positive or negative. Positive times positive, it will be positive. Positive times negative, negative. If it's negative times negative, it will be positive. If it's negative times positive, it will be negative. Now for the step 3,
so meaning the second step, if we multiply the same sign of the integers, if it's positive, the result will be positive. If it's negative, negative will give us positive. So
multiplying the opposite sign will give us negative.
Okay.
For the step 3, combine 1 and 2. So let's have an example. 3 times negative 2. For the first step, I said multiply the factors or the absolute value. The absolute value is 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Now determine the sign. 3 is positive and 2 is negative. Positive times negative or multiplying the opposite sign will give us negative. For step 3, combine 1 and 2. The sign is negative and the product is 6. So our final answer is negative 6. I have prepared some more examples. Let's solve together.
Negative 5 times 20.
Times
20.
20. Using the rule for multiplying integers, we will have negative 100.
Okay. Negative 2x
Negative 2x
times
times
10. You can answer directly. Just follow the rule, guys, if you wanted to solve together with Kuya Axel.
Our final answer for using the rule, it will be negative 20x.
Okay, negative 20x. 2 times 10, 2x times 10 is 20.
20x.
Positive times negative is negative. So it's negative 20x. Very good. So let's have 36. Negative 36 times negative 3. So remember, in multiplying the same sign, you'll get positive sign.
final answer will be positive 108 because negative times negative, positive.
Yeah, correct. Negative 25y.
Negative 25y
Negative 25y times
times
negative 3.
our answer will be 75y.
Very good. How about 75
25
times negative 4? Positive 75 times negative 4 is
negative 300.
negative 300. Very good. Next. 18 times negative 5p.
5. Our answer will be negative 90p.
Very good. 16 times negative 20. 16 times negative 20.
Our answer will be negative 320. Thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, comment down, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos. Please don't forget to support our second channel, Familia Garcia Mix. Bye-bye!